doctor that would make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year without going through any kind of MCATs, PCATs, DATs, chemistry, biology, whatever class where he or she has to be examined and take tests? Can anyone join the basketball team or the soccer team without going through some tests and tryouts? Can anyone take their driver license without taking a driving test? And now, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says,
أحسب الناس أن يتركوا أن يقولوا آمنا وهم لا يفتنون.
Do you guys think out of your mind that you will be saying, I believe, and you will not be tested? Allah is telling you that. You will be left alone saying, I believe, and no, don't test. Subhanallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says,
أم حسبتم أن تدخلوا الجنة ولما يأتكم مثل الذين خلوا من قبلكم.
And you think you'll enter paradise just like that, and you will not face what the people in the past have faced?
مستهم البأساء والضراء وزلزلوا.
They faced sicknesses, poverty, calamities, and they were shaken. وَزُلْزِلُوا out of tests and trials. You think you will just say, I believe, and enter Jannah? You think you will just go with life so smoothly? And you will go to Jannah where you have a mansion, where you go around and all kind of food is around. You'll go to Jannah and you will never ever in your life be sad or depressed. You will go to Jannah and enjoy every beautiful scene around you. You think you will go to Jannah where in that place you will never be sick, you will never sneeze except beauty, you will never have any sweat, and if you had sweat, when you have sweat, it will be musk and beautiful smell. When you go to Jannah, your house will be made of bricks of gold and silver, all that in Jannah, just like that. And when you go to Jannah and you enjoy the most beautiful thing in the world, the most beautiful thing which you will ever experience, which is seeing Allah. You seeing Allah is the most beautiful thing in the world. You will just get it just like that.